Have you ever wondered how your car keeps all its electrical systems running, even when the engine is on? Today we're diving into the fascinating world of alternators, the unsung heroes under your car's hood. Alternators are responsible for generating electricity to power everything from your headlights to your radio, and even recharge your battery as you drive. In this video we'll break down what an alternator is, why it's so important, and how it works to keep your vehicle running smoothly. Let's start by understanding the basics of what an alternator does in your car. Alternator is a key component of your car's charging system. It's a small, cylindrical device usually found near the front of the engine, connected by a belt. Its main job is to convert mechanical energy from the engine into electrical energy. This electricity is then used to power your car's electrical systems and recharge the battery. Without a functioning alternator, your car would quickly lose power and you'd be left stranded. Now let's take a closer look at how the alternator actually creates electricity. Understand how an alternator works. It helps to know its main parts. The alternator consists of a rotor, stator, diode rectifier, voltage regulator, and a pulley. The rotor spins inside the stator, creating a magnetic field. The stator is a set of wire coils that surrounds the rotor. The diode rectifier converts the alternating current AC produced into direct current DC for your car. The voltage regulator ensures the voltage stays at a safe level. All these parts work together to keep your car's electrical system running efficiently. Alternator is powered by your car's engine. When you start the engine, a belt connected to the crankshaft begins to turn the alternator's pulley. This mechanical motion is what gets the alternator spinning. The faster the engine runs, the faster the alternator spins, and the more electricity it can generate. This simple yet effective setup ensures that your car's electrical needs are met as long as the engine is running. Inside the alternator, the spinning rotor creates a rotating magnetic field. This field passes through the stator windings, which are stationary coils of wire. As the magnetic field moves, it induces an electrical current in the stator. This process is called electromagnetic induction. The electricity produced at the stage is alternating current AC, which is not yet suitable for your car systems. Next, let's see how the alternator converts this AC into usable power. Ours run on direct current DC, but the alternator generates alternating current AC. To solve this, the alternator uses a diode rectifier. Diodes are electronic components that only allow current to flow in one direction. The rectifier takes the AC produced by the stator and converts it into DC, which can safely power your car's electronics and charge the battery. This conversion is crucial for the smooth operation of your vehicle. Voltage regulator is another vital part of the alternator. Its job is to keep the voltage output within a safe range, usually around 13.5 to 14.5 volts. If the voltage gets too high, it could damage your car's electronics. If it's too low, the battery won't charge properly. The voltage regulator constantly monitors and adjusts the alternator's output to ensure everything runs smoothly, no matter how fast the engine is spinning. Once the alternator has produced DC electricity, it sends this power throughout your car. The electricity flows to the battery, keeping it charged, and to all the electrical systems like the headlights, dashboard, and entertainment system. This means that as long as your engine is running, your car's electrical needs are met, and the battery stays ready to start the engine next time. It's easy to think the battery does all the work, but actually the alternator is the main source of power when the engine is running. The battery's main job is to start the engine. After that, the alternator takes over, providing electricity for everything else. If your alternator fails, your car will only run until the battery is drained. That's why a healthy alternator is so important for your vehicle. How do you know if your alternator is having issues? Common signs include dimming headlights, a warning light on your dashboard, strange noises, or electrical systems not working properly. If you notice these symptoms, it's important to get your alternator checked. Ignoring alternator problems can leave you stranded with a dead battery and a car that won't start. Mechanics use special tools to test the alternator's output. One common method is to measure the voltage at the battery terminals with the engine running. If the voltage is within the normal range, the alternator is working properly. If it's too low or too high, there may be a problem with the alternator or voltage regulator. Regular testing can help catch issues early and keep your car running smoothly. If your alternator fails, it will need to be replaced. This job usually involves removing the old alternator, disconnecting the electrical connections, and installing a new one. It's a task that can be done by experienced DIYers, but many people prefer to have a professional mechanic handle it. Using the right tools and following safety procedures is essential for a successful replacement. Keep your alternator in good shape. Regular maintenance is key. Check the drive belt for wear and proper tension, as a loose or worn belt can prevent the alternator from working correctly. Also, keep an eye on the electrical connections and make sure they're clean and secure. Regular inspections can help you avoid unexpected breakdowns and extend the life of your alternator. Most alternators are designed to last between 80,000 and 150,000 miles, depending on driving conditions and maintenance. Factors like frequent short trips, extreme temperatures, and heavy electrical loads can shorten its lifespan. Keeping up with regular maintenance and addressing issues early can help your alternator last as long as possible. Modern alternators are more efficient and reliable than ever. Some newer cars use smart alternators that adjust their output based on the car's needs, improving fuel efficiency and reducing emissions. These innovations help vehicles run more smoothly and make better use of energy, showing how technology continues to advance even in familiar car parts. Hybrid and electric vehicles use different systems for generating electricity, but many still rely on alternator-like devices to manage power. These systems are often more complex, integrating with batteries and electric motors. Understanding the basics of alternators helps you appreciate how all types of vehicles manage their electrical needs. There are a few myths about alternators. Some people think the battery powers everything while driving, but as we've learned, it's the alternator that does most of the work. Others believe alternators rarely fail, but like any part, they can wear out over time. Knowing the facts helps you take better care of your car and avoid unexpected issues. Most cars have a dashboard warning light shaped like a battery or reading alt. If this light comes on while you're driving, it means there's a problem with the charging system. It could be a failing alternator, a loose belt, or a wiring issue. Don't ignore this warning, get your car checked as soon as possible to avoid being stranded. Did you know your alternator can affect fuel efficiency? If it's not working properly, your engine may have to work harder, using more fuel. Modern alternators are designed to be efficient and reduce the load on the engine, helping you save on gas and reduce emissions. Keeping your alternator in good shape is good for your wallet and the environment. Sum up, the alternator is a vital part of your car's electrical system. It converts mechanical energy into electrical energy, powers your car's electronics, and keeps the battery charged. Regular maintenance and prompt attention to warning signs can help you avoid problems and keep your car running smoothly. Understanding how your alternator works gives you more confidence as a car owner. Thanks for joining us on this journey into the world of car alternators. Next time you start your car or turn on the headlights, you'll know exactly what's happening under the hood. Keeping your alternator healthy is key to a reliable and enjoyable driving experience. Stay curious and keep learning about the amazing technology that powers your everyday life.